I can see you. Hi, good morning.
Very good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Mhm. So,
So,
can you please introduce yourself?
sure. My name is Wendy. I'm from Jamshedpur. It's come
Mm-hmm.
Jharkhand state. Regarding my education, I have done BA in Political Science honors. Then I have done Bachelor degree of Library Science from IGNOU University. Then I did
Mm-hmm.
some hair courses. By professional, I'm a hair trainer as well as a hair
Mm-hmm.
stylist. Regarding my
Okay.
family, I have a four sibling, I and my father. And if
Mm-hmm.
you're talking about my leisure time, so I love to do yoga and cooking, dancing, listening
Mm-hmm.
song, all Hindi song. So
Mm-hmm.
these are my hobbies. That's all about
Okay.
me.
Okay. So, coming to me, my name is Shanta, as you know. I am working as a tutor of spoken English. I'm a freelancer actually, but I'm a qualified engineer. I was a software engineer in the past. So, but currently I'm a homemaker, I'm a mother to two children, and I'm a tutor of spoken English. And recently I started a YouTube channel, which is Learn English with Shanta. And my current favorite hobby is working on my channel. Yeah, creating content for my channel. That's what I do during my free time. But earlier to that, I would like reading books and listening to music. Yeah, I live in
Yes.
Karnataka.
Okay. I
Mm.
have a lot of
So
friends from
what's your full
Karnataka.
name?
My full name is Vandana.
Vandana. Okay, yeah, I guessed it. It might be Vandana or Vandita or something.
Yes, yes. Oh,
Okay.
one of my teacher. Okay, when I was in training, means my uh, hair training. So that time
Mm-hmm.
one of the teacher he gave me this name, Vandy. So it's a trendy
Mm.
name and it's listening
Yes, it
good.
is.
So
Yeah.
that time everybody started, no, my student and my colleagues, everybody started to call me Vandy Vandy. So I feel it's a
Mm.
good name. So that is
Yeah, it
why
is
I gave.
quite trendy. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's convenient for everybody to talk. Even if you talk to a native speaker, it'll be easier for them to call you Vandy, right?
Yes.
Yes. And how come like librarian and then into hair and everything? They're worlds apart, right? How did you think of changing your profession?
Uh, because my sister runs her two salons, so I used to go
Mm-hmm.
there. Uh, while
Okay.
I'm doing I was doing my librarian course. That time I
Mm-hmm.
used to go my sister's salon as well as. So I learned so many things, small thing. You are not audible, visible.
Yes.
So I learned so many things. Then time came to know choose profession. So that time I choose this one, hair styling, because it's a very give no an instant result. If you cut someone hair, so they appreciate immediately. So
Mm.
instant result come and instant appreciation come. So these things
Yeah, yeah.
excited me, and I think this is the means more comfortable and good job. So that is why I choose this one. Librarian is a I did a librarian course, but there is a always I so no when you enter the library, so you can see the librarian. There's who wears thick specs and sitting one chair, no, and see they are noticing everywhere. So that kind there is no so much excitement. So I thought, okay, I should join this profession. There is so much
Exactly.
excitement. Yeah.
Libraries are so boring, and your profession is like so exciting. You get to meet so many people, and you're doing something on them, and it's
Right.
very exciting actually. Yes, yes. So, did you do a professional course into hairstyling?
Yes, ma'am. I did some professional course from Blossom Culture Academy. You know Aroma Magic?
Yeah, yeah, I know. Yes.
Yeah. So that founder is a Blossom ma'am. So her name is
Mm-hmm.
Blossom Culture. So
Mm-hmm.
she also runs her academy. So I uh, teach means I work means I studied there, and after that I has been working for 5 years in
Mm-hmm.
as a hair trainer over there.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Okay. So were you born and brought up in Jamshedpur?
Yes, I born and brought up in Jamshedpur.
It's a very nice city, I've heard.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So how come you have free time to manage a YouTube channel?
Uh, it's all
And what was
depend
the
on
main motive behind starting a channel?
main motive is I have been practicing this language. This was my this means this language English speaking is look like a my dream. So
Mm.
I studied in Hindi medium school. So since my
Okay.
college time, I have a dream to know speak English at least in front of the people. No, when we saw someone is talking in English, so we thought that oh my God, he is so much intellectual. No, and when we
Mm,
fear to talk, but not like this
mm,
is not true. But that time I was thinking like that. So uh, I started last year my English journey because I could not speak one sentence. So
oh man,
due to
you're doing
so
so well now.
thank you so much. But last year, month of October, I started my journey. I help of different platform. I am
Mm.
able to speak in front of you, little bit, not good. And
Yeah.
so audio call, I'm quite confident. I can handle. No, I can talk with someone.
Yes.
But video call in front of the people, I have a lot of hesitation. I can't speak in front of them. No, means
Mm,
good sentence, good vocabs not come in the mind when while I
mm,
conversation with anyone face to face.
mm,
So I
mm.
want to overcome this fear. So
Situation.
that is why
Mm,
means I created my YouTube channel so that
mm,
when I speak in front of the people and audio call, now video call, so how I
mm,
express myself, this kind of things I can see, no body gesture or hand movement. So these things I can learn from video call. So
mm.
that is why I turn myself to YouTube.
Okay, okay, very nice. So how has your journey been so far? I hope you're enjoying it.
Yes, yes, really, I enjoying. No, so many things you can learn from your co-learner. So
Yes,
it's a
yes,
very fortunate. I feel very fortunate. No, I meet with you due to YouTube channel.
yes, yes.
So it's a very fortunate thing. You have a lot of experience and you can share with me. So definitely I can grow and I can speak better English. So that is the
Mm,
main motto. Better English means I want to communicate with anyone. That is
mm,
the main motto. So
mm.
I want to enhance my English. So that is why audio call to video call. So that I
Exactly. Audio
explain.
calls are quite comfortable because the person is not visible to you. But in a
Right.
video call, when you face the person, you feel so much, nervousness. Do you remember your first call when you did a video call for the first time? Do you remember that feeling, how you felt? Maybe like we
Yes.
were not able to speak anything, or we don't know what we are speaking, right?
So
Yeah.
so many, I did so many mistake. Okay, that video. So I don't know, but gradually I'm learning. So right now I can speak with anyone, audio,
Yeah.
video call as well as in front of anyone.
Yes, confidence is the key. So it doesn't matter how much you know, but if you have confidence to speak, that is more important. People are going
Right.
to at least talk to you, but if you do not have confidence and you have all the knowledge, then what are you going to put in front of them? Right? Yeah. Okay. So how is your day turning out so far?
Uh,
Or
my
as
days
usual?
are yeah. Yes.
As usual, how is your day turning out? Anything exciting today?
Yeah, I have two more sessions, so that is why I'm excited. And
Mm.
evening, I will upload my next video. So yeah,
Mm.
this so these things gives me excitement.
YouTube actually, keeps you alive. You're excited when you post something. You want to see like if somebody's seen it or no. So it keeps you alive throughout the day. And you keep
Yes.
thinking about what you have posted and what people are saying about it.
So,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
how means why you are here? Means YouTube journey. You started. You created your YouTube channel. So what is the
Yes.
motive behind?
See, actually, I'm already a tutor of spoken English. So I teach online. I teach for a platform. So when I still have free time when my slots aren't booked. So I just wanted to make best use of it because my children are usually back in the evenings from their school. So throughout the day, I have some time to do something for myself. So YouTube is such a thing that you can just do it in your free time. There's no time restrictions. You can do it when they are in school and whenever you have free time, every 10, 15 minutes, whatever free time you have, you can best utilize it. And there are so many learners also, right, who want to speak and improve. So it's nice talking to them. I somehow, when I joined as a tutor, I was enjoying talking to people. And it is at that time that I discovered like people are really having trouble in speaking English. So till then I wasn't aware because I was like mostly dedicated only to my family. So then I thought there may be many more people who cannot afford to take a paid class or to talk to a tutor. So I thought, okay, I will also have some, interaction, and there's always something to learn from everyone, right? Whomever you meet, they might be of different cultures or different walks of life. So I am kind of enjoying doing this so far. So it's been a month I've started, and it's going good. I'm liking what I'm doing, so that is why I'm continuing. So I thought I'll start a YouTube channel. I saw many people who were having a conversations and putting it on the channel. So it was kind of exciting, right? You can talk to people and just upload and have a channel as well. So that's the reason,
Okay.
right? So how about
So,
your work culture? When do you go to work? When do you stay at home?
so nowadays I'm little focusing because I don't know how to upload, how to do
Hmm.
everything. Technical part I'm
Hmm.
learning slowly. So that is why she is my real sister. So
Hmm.
I said to her, कि whenever there is an appointment, so I will come and I will give you service. Whatever
Hmm.
appointment they there, so I will come. And other time I busy with these things, no, connect with people and means I'm these days I'm more focusing on speaking because 15 minutes or 20 minutes speaking is not enough for me because I'm a beginner. So that is why
Hmm.
I give more time. So I use different platform also for
Hmm.
enhancing my English.
Hmm. The more you speak, it's better for you, right? The more
Yeah.
you learn. If you have the
Yeah.
time to do so, that is the best thing you can do.
In this way,
You're
I'm
also
managing.
utilizing your time. Yeah. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you just end up scrolling videos or watching something else, which is
Yes.
going to waste your time. Yeah,
Yes.
that is
Yes.
what even I used to do. And I used to feel so guilty about it. Why am I not utilizing whatever skills I have? At least I can
Right.
do this. There are so many people doing it. So why not do it? So yeah, here I am.
Little time consuming and means it's a kind of memories, no? After
Hmm.
6 months, this video will see and and we
Hmm.
will enjoy and laugh on
Yeah.
us.
Yeah, yeah. We'll remember, okay, I met this person and this person was from here and we had a nice conversation. We always remember.
Right.
Hmm.
Right.
Yes. So yeah. Do you have any questions for me?
So how to improve my English? Means any tips and tricks if you
Yes.
have, you are a teacher, so you can you better judgment, no, you can give me better ideas and tactics. What should I implement in my daily life
Hmm.
to improve my
Hmm.
English?
Yeah. See what reading and writing part most of them will do, right? Because they right from school they have learned to read, and while writing also you have enough time to think, and you also have the option of erasing or rewriting or thinking about it in writing. But when it comes to speaking, it is something spontaneous. You have to tell it at the moment, and at that time you kind of get stuck. You know, right words don't come to you, and you say like keep thinking my what to tell next. That fluency comes to you as in how you start speaking to many people. Because so firstly when you start, obviously you're at your worst, right? You don't get the right words and everything. But as you are continuing doing this, so I'm sure it's been like 1 year you're talking to people, so you must have seen an improvement in yourself also. The way you speak and the vocabulary part and your fluency must have improved by now. You must be seeing the results. So that is what I would recommend you to. Okay, if you're reading, learning grammar, learning vocabulary, that is all fine. But try and use it in whatever you can, in whatever context you can. whenever you're talking to people, try and use that. Unless you use whatever you have learned, it will just go away in vain. So
Right.
yeah, you write a journal and make a list of words which are new to you. If you want to implement or you want to use that in your spoken English, just make a note of it, and next time you're talking to people, try and use those words. That will enhance your vocabulary. Yeah. For the grammar part, yeah, you can go through theory, as, have, do, does, and all, when to use all that. If you learn, and next time when you're talking to people, obviously you have recordings of what you have spoken to people. So just go through the recording, and you will see, you will discover your own mistakes. Yeah, I should have told this instead of this, right? So next time, try to avoid that mistake. So that is the best way to learn spoken English.
But it's a
Mhm.
process, no, it takes time.
It takes definitely. I am able to do this because I've been speaking English since childhood. So
Yeah,
it kind of comes natural to me even before my native language. So yeah, I've been exposed to a lot of English speaking environment. That's what I'm able to do it fluently. But still, sometimes even I get stuck and I'm thinking for words. So it happens. There's no like you won't reach anywhere. You have to keep learning continuously. Yeah.
and
So don't have expectation that I'm going to reach here in this much time. That's not going to happen. It's a continuous process of learning.
definitely.
Hmm. Right. Because English is not a mother tongue, right? So it is not
Right.
proper even to expect that we speak it like them. So our native language will always come first. So how
Yes,
fluent we are with a native language, that won't happen with English. Somewhere you're going to mispronounce, somewhere you're going to forget words. That's natural. It's better we accept that. ये
yes.
होता है, it happens with everybody. So yeah,
So
it's
these
better not to
days I
stress,
don't.
but to concentrate on your journey.
So these days I don't bother what mistake I did while conversation.
Mm.
I'm focusing no more speak. One day will come, no?
Just speak. Doesn't matter even if you're making mistakes. Yeah, just speak. You have the courage to speak. You have everything.
Right.
Mm.
So we should wrap up this session.
Yeah, yeah, sure. We'll have the session. Yeah. Lovely
Nice
talking to
to meet
you.
you.
If you get
Nice
time,
to talk with you. Okay, bye.
bye. Have a good day.
You too.